If you're building a home server in 2026, sooner or later you hit this question. Unraid or TrueNAS? And here's the truth, most videos don't tell you upfront. This is not about which one is better overall. It's about which one matches how you think, because these two systems are built on completely different philosophies. One is built for flexibility. The other is built for precision. And once you understand that, the choice becomes obvious. Let's break it down in a way that actually helps you decide. Imagine you're building your server over time. You buy a 4 terabytes drive today, then maybe an 8 terabytes next month. Later, 1, 2 TB, different sizes, different brands. Just adding as you go. That's exactly the world Unraid was designed for. Unraid lets you mix drives however you want, without forcing you into a strict structure. You can literally throw in whatever disks you have, expand anytime, and your system just adapts. That's its biggest superpower. It doesn't try to be perfect. It tries to be practical. And that's why so many beginners and even advanced users love it. You also get built-in Docker apps, virtual machines, and a very intuitive interface. So in real life, you can run Plex, store files, automate things, and experiment, all without needing to be an expert. But there's a trade-off. Because of how Unraid works, performance is usually limited to single drive speeds, especially for writes. So yes, it's flexible, but it's not built for maximum performance. Now, let's flip the perspective. Instead of flexibility, imagine you care about one thing above everything else. Your data. Not losing it, not corrupting it, not risking it. That's where TrueNAS comes in. TrueNAS is built around ZFS, a file system designed for data integrity at a very deep level. We're talking about automatic error detection, self-healing data, snapshots, replication. It doesn't just store your data. It protects it. And that's why TrueNAS is used in more serious environments. But here's the catch. TrueNAS expects you to plan everything from the start. Your drives usually need to match. Your storage is organized into pools. And expanding later isn't as simple. It's structured. It's strict, and it requires more RAM and more technical understanding, but in exchange, you get better performance, especially for large transfers, because data is spread across multiple drives. So while Unraid is flexible, TrueNAS is powerful and precise. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They try to compare them like they're the same type of tool. They're not. Unraid is like building with Lego. You add pieces whenever you want, in any shape. TrueNAS is like engineering a structure. You design it properly from the beginning, and it becomes incredibly strong. So, let's make this real. If your goal is a media server, a home lab, something easy to expand, something beginner-friendly, and RAID will feel better almost instantly. But if your goal is maximum data safe to long-term storage, professional level, reliability, performance storage, then TrueNAS is the better choice. In fact, many experts agree that if data integrity is your top priority, TrueNAS wins. So, which one is best? Here's the honest answer. Unraid is better for flexibility and ease of use. TrueNAS is better for data protection and performance. There's no universal winner, only the one that fits what you're trying to build. And honestly, the smartest setups in 2026 don't just pick one blindly. They choose based on purpose. Because once you understand the difference, you stop asking which one is better and start building something that actually works for you.